because it's so windy.
Hey y'all, hey. So it's Miss Lady Ree, and check me out taking this whole YouTube thing seriously. This is like my umpteenth video. Check me out. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna call y'all Ree Squad. What do y'all think? So when I do my intros to my videos, I'm gonna say, "Hey Ree Squad," and what y'all gonna say? Hey. I don't know what y'all gonna say. Anywho. So I'm at the Hoover Dam in Arizona. My sister and I took our mom and our aunt to the Hoover Dam. We had already been prior back in November. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go check it out. But we wanted to bring them because we thought it was cool. So here we are on a tour of the power plant. So we're walking underground in these tunnels. The temperature was just right. Like, it wasn't cold down there. It wasn't hot or anything. It was just regular. So we have our tour guide that is walking us around, showing us the ins and out. And so here he is explaining where we are now.
Welcome everyone to the Nevada side of our power plants. Looking across the bay, we have 8 large commercial generators, 9 in the Arizona wing to our left, a total of 17. Each generator lit up means it's on and operating, like N1 Nevada 1 closest. That is spinning at 180 revolutions per minute, producing 130 megawatts of power, enough for 65,000 homes minimum. If we turned all 17 on at once, we could do around 2,080 megawatts of power, over 8 million homes supplied.
Wow.
Now across that lineup, you'll notice generator 3 is missing. On the floor is that rotor from generator 3. We've been doing some work on that, putting back 5,000 steel panels into slots of that armature. And then last but not least will be 40 of those big magnets weighing 4 tons apiece. Reassembled up to 600 tons alone, which kind of begs the question, how did we lift it up out of there to this spot? That answer is by the ceiling where the American flag is hanging. 2 mobile P&H bridge crane units in each wing, moving on a track system by the walls. Just one lifts up to 300 tons. That's like lifting the Statue of Liberty's weight of 225 tons, no sweat, no problem. But as I noted, that rotor piece is too heavy for one of our cranes. We combine both to form a super crane team to do these heavy lifting throughout the year here. To power these cranes and everything you see, we have a different type of generator. To the left of the... Now back to our engineering for a moment, folks, to finish up here. Hoover Dam is 726 feet tall, 1,244 foot long, and but only 45 feet wide on the top. 200 feet beneath us in the dam space, the sidewalls are going to thicken up.
Huh? Observation? That's what it said on the elevator. Yeah, it's right there. But this is on the different side.
Capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail bay, where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and spills through the turbines, flowing on downstream. The water comes out of the turbines at an average temperature of 53 to... At the base, you see 2 round buildings, one on each side of the canyon. You'll notice...
It's still recording, I don't think so.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We kids. You can't see.
It's the rose gold for me. It's the rose gold for me. Ain't it?
And then I'll freeze it and make it a picture.
But you see me, right?
She driving. She can't see you.
Okay, well, we're at the, I'm in Vegas. I'm in Arizona right now. I'm in Arizona right now.
This
but
way.
We're at the Hoover Dam. Okay, well, we're not going to get good reception. We're at the Hoover Dam. She's there too? Yeah, you see her.
Hey Ree Squad, thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, Miss Lady Ree. And until next time, peace, love, and blessings. Toodles!